This is the plug from the Paris from the front. It has a round 2-hole plug, different from the UK. So you don't need this type of adapter to plug in there. All you need is this round plug to plug it in. Now, when you plug it in, it will push inside. See that? The third prong is come out right there. Do one cup pushing, and just unplug it, push it out. That kind of thing. So all you need is just this plug for this converter to work just fine, and that's all you need if you're gonna come to the France, to the Paris. Thank you for watching.